Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to check your age on TikTok. Open your TikTok app. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, you can tap on these three dots in here. Now you can find the settings and privacy option. So tap on it. Scroll down a bit and now you need to click on this report a problem option in here. Next, you need to tap on this submit a report option in here. Mention here that you want to know the birthday you given to your account. Then tap on this submit button to send your message. After that, they will send your birthday you have entered in TikTok. That way you can know about the age. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.